All right, so I'm going to do this thing this year where I'm going to make a video for whoever sends me the problem, and then I'm going to post it on okay, don't mind that. It stopped for a second. So this is the packet review for Simmons, number 31. So the question was, write in a quadratic equation with the solutions 2 plus root 10 to minus root 10. So you should be able to recognize that you can write this as 2 plus or minus root 10. And that 2 plus or minus root 10, those are both of your answers, your x equals. So this could have come from you using complete the square. It could have come from quadratic formula, but this is what you ended up with. This was the long way to write it out into two different pieces, but we're going to push it back to this. So the way that I teach this is a little bit different than some of the other teachers. So this is how we're going to do it. We're going to move this back to something that was factored. So for example, if we had x equals 4, in factored form, it would be x minus 4 would be equal to 0. So we're going to switch this. We're going to get this back so that it's equal to 0. So our first step is that we want to subtract 2 from both sides. We're going to isolate that radical. So we're going to have x minus 2 equals plus or minus root 10. So once we do that root 10, that plus or minus, we want to get rid of it by squaring it because we had to square root it to get that plus or minus. So we're going to do the opposite operation here. So we end up with x minus 2 quantity squared equals that plus or minus goes away with the square, as does the square root. So we're just left with 10. That's what we had before we took the square root. Now, be careful here. Our brains are not so fresh right now at the beginning of the year, so write this out and FOIL appropriately. Otherwise, you'll forget to your middle term. So this is x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 10, but we're still trying to get to that equals 0. So it's going to be x squared minus 4x minus 6 equals 0. So again, the big thing is remembering that these two go together, getting the radical by itself and squaring both sides to undo the radical, and then moving everything over. Don't forget to FOIL appropriately. So good luck. Hope that helps. Have a good night.